Hello everyone, I am Mageshwari. I am working as Assistant Professor of Commerce Department in JJ College of Arts and Science. Now, I am going to discuss about very interesting topic that is important part of research. Before going to topic, you should know what is research. Research. Read for again, search for, find, process for, step by step. Simply definition of research. The process of gathering information for the purpose of initiating, modifying or determining a particular investment or group of investment. The main 7 steps of research process. Step 1. Define research problem. Step 2. Review of literature. Step 3. Formulate hypothesis. Step 4. Preparing the research design. Step 5. Data collection. Step 6. Data analysis. Step 7. Interpretation and report writing. Step 1. Define research problem. There are two types of research problem. First one, it relates to state of nature and relationship between variables. Essentially, two steps are involved in defined research problem. First one, understanding the problem thoroughly and rephrasing the same into meaningful terms from one point of view. Research problem. Identification and formulation of a research problem is the first step of research process. A research problem is a question that research wants to answer. Second one, review of literature. A literature review is an assessment of a body of research that addresses a research question. Once a problem is defined, a brief summary of it should be written down. It is compulsory for a research worker writing a thesis for a PhD degree to write a synopsis of topic and submit to necessary committee or the research board for approval. Step 3. Formulate hypothesis. How to formulate hypothesis? Hypothesis is really a temporary explanation, a kind of educated guess about what will happen under certain condition. Formulate hypothesis is tentative assumption made in order to draw out and test it is logical or empirical consequences. Hypothesis should be very specific and limited to the piece of research inherent because it has to be tested. The role of the hypothesis is to guide the researcher by delimiting the area of research and to keep him on the right track. Steps 4. Preparing the research design. The functions of research design is to provide for the collection of relevant evidence with the minimal expenditure of effort, time and money. Research purpose may be grouped into 4 categories. First one, exploration. Second one, descriptions. Third one, diagnosis. Fourth one, experimentation. Steps 5. Data collection. Data collection is a process of preparing and a collection of data. The main two data, primary data and secondary data. Primary data collected here fresh and for the first time and happen to be original in character and known as primary data. Secondary data that is collected by someone other than the primary users. Data are the basic inputs to any decision making process in business. Primary data can be collected through by observation, through personal interview, through telephone interview, by mailing of questionnaires, through schedules. Next one. Step 6. Data analysis. The analysis of data requires a number of closely related operations such as establishment of categories. Why do we analyze this data? Make sense of data we have collected. This stage mainly include coding, editing, tabulation. Step 7. Interpretation and report writing. A researcher has to prepare the report of what has been done by him. Interpretation is the process of making in the sense of numerical data that has been collected, analyzed, and presented. Report is the statement of the result of the investigation. Writing of the report includes the preliminary pages, the main text, and the end of the matter. Thank you. Thank you for watching.